Well, hello everyone. So this is my clone Arduino. I call it clone Duino because it's the word clone and Arduino, so we call it clone Duino. Yeah, whatever. So I'm supplying 5 volts to it, and I'm connecting my receiver and transfer to basically whatever USB serial or another Arduino. Just make sure there's a way to upload the code, your binary code into it. And here there's the reset button. After when every time I hit it, it reset, and I'm using an Arduino Nano to upload the code from my laptop. Right here is, yeah, the laptop seems a bit greasy on the trackpad. It seems like gross. Anyway, just fire up your Arduino IDE. Just, I don't know, maybe use your code, but in my case I'm gonna use a basic example there. Let's just basic link, and there we go. So I'm gonna check everything, the port, the COM port, the communication port, the bootloader, the type. So now I'm gonna put another LED for this one, but you can see the label right here. So we're gonna use the pin number 13 as an output. So so that won't blink very fast. So I want it to blink like only 2 seconds on and 2 seconds off, and so on, a loop. So I have here, so I'm gonna put it on my standing. Yep. So I'm gonna flying an LED and put it in here. So I'm gonna upload it right now. And for the first try, it seems to have problem because I forgot to hold down the reset on my Arduino Nano. So I just put 2 wires, connect the OST to ground, and after I done that, there we go. We have a working Arduino, clone Arduino, which I call Clonedino. So well, I'm gonna upload a full tutorial on how to do this. So stay tuned. If this video gets like 100 likes, so probably I'm gonna do it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to click like on this video, maybe 100, I don't know. Thank you for watching.